we are making a very simple salad. We're gonna roast some okra, some red pepper. We're gonna also have a little bit of fresh cucumber, fresh tomato, and feta cheese. Very simple, might come together in about 10 minutes. Try this salad because it's super easy. All ingredients that I got from the market this morning, and look at that. So good. That is so, so good. First thing we're gonna do is cut the tops off the okra, like that. And we're just gonna cut them down about this size, bite size. That's what we wanna eat. Just like that. Now you can cook these whole too. Sometimes you do that. Sometimes people pickle them down here. I like to cook them hot, fast. All right, got a medium-sized pan. I'm gonna put it medium to high. I also have some chicken stock on the stove that we're gonna use to sort of steam this okra and cook it the rest of the way. It's important that the chicken stock is hot because you wanna keep as much heat as you can in the pan. I'm gonna do something similar with the red pepper in size. This is gonna be very fresh, almost like stir fry, okay? So I got my pan getting nice and hot, high smoke point olive oil, nice to fry with, okay? Pan's just about smoking. Go in. You should hear that sound. Salt, pepper. And let that go. Get some heat into the vegetable. I've got this beautiful heirloom cucumber here, this yellow cucumber. I'm just gonna cut it down into pieces, again, sort of mimicking the size of the okra and the pepper. I kind of want everything to be similar in size. Really beautiful fresh cucumber. It's really fragrant when I cut into it, like it really smells heavily of cucumber. This pan should be medium to high, maybe more towards high than medium, but just make sure that they're not burning. Tomato, same idea. Fresh parsley, fresh coriander. That aroma is incredible. Spring onion. So these are getting some nice color on there. You see they're starting to get roasted. I'm gonna go with my hot chicken stock and a lid. Cover it. And that stock is just gonna finish cooking the okra and the pepper. Gonna steam it the rest of the way. Cucumber, tomato, parsley, coriander in. Now I've got some beautiful feta here as well. Crumble some of that in, and I'm gonna also crumble some on top after. So that's pretty much where we want it. You wanna keep some freshness in the vegetable. You don't wanna cook it too much. It should have a little bit of crunch, a little bit of texture. Now I'm gonna pop that in the fridge just to cool down, okay? We got some little micro herbs, garnish that we're gonna put on top. So I've got some micro coriander, it's very nice and fresh. Red amaranth, nice like beet, earthy flavor and really bright color. And pea shoots. Pea shoots are very stemmy, so I like to pick them down and just get the nice leaves and leave the stem behind. The tops of the pea shoots are the best part. Ploosh that comes out of the top. That's all we need. Get ourselves a little bowl. Okra peppers have cooled down. You're gonna go into the salad. A little nice olive oil. And white wine vinegar. So bright, so beautiful, so delicious. A lot of texture in there. Wow, that is so, so good. A little bit more vinegar. A little bit more feta. Got your coriander, your amaranth, some pea shoots. A little more olive oil over the top. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful summer okra salad. Tomato, cucumber, roasted pepper, okra, feta cheese. Everything you want in a salad. Perfect, healthy, delicious, simple. Everything's in there for a reason. Can't go wrong.